Some days ago, Maggie Shii shared a post saying that she's now a Mrs. Nemo Ikureu, she's a Mrs. Jack, but she never revealed the face of the Jack. We never got to see who Jack is, and she just left it at that. But now, today, she has shared a post on her Facebook page, akisema ati Ndiye Huyu Jack. She has shared a photo of her with a guy akisema mmeshindaje wakuu, good night from us, hashtag Mrs. Jack. Then in the comment section akaongeza ati Ndiye Huyu Jack with 3 love emojis. Well, her fans don't believe her, but there are those that believe her, because some say that they know who the guy is and it's not Jack like she claims. But there are those who are saying congratulations to her, we finally get to see Jack. There are those who believe that this is actually Jack. But then again, yesterday she had shared another post akisema ati she's no longer married, ati amerudishwa kwao, akisema ati mimi nilifunga pingu za maisha kwa ile mchezo ya watoto nikiwa mdogo. Mnakumbuka nikiwaambia I'm taken, nimerudishwa. Ruo. Well, at this point, her fans are just confused, because one day she says she's married, the next day she says she's not, then today she says this is Jack, she introduces Jack to us. But if truly this is Jack, then congratulations to her. If indeed she's truly married, congratulations to her and Jack.